Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 2. How are you? Hope you all are good. Dear students, I welcome you all in your online social studies class. Dear students, as you know that in our previous video we have done an activity given on book page number 9. Let's come on the next page. Kindly open your book page number 10. Okay, here is another activity. The activity is write down your feelings. What makes you feel this way? Write down your feelings. What makes you feel this way? Number 1 is happy. Dear students, what makes you feel happy? आप ऐसा क्या करते हैं कि जब आप खुश होते हैं? ओके, आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे कि आप कब खुश होते हैं. What makes you feel happy? The second one is what makes you feel sad? आप sad कब होते हैं? What makes you feel angry? आपको गुस्सा कब आता है? And the last one is scared. What makes you feel scared? आपको डर कब लगता है? Okay, you have to write down these 4. What makes you feel this way? Number 1 is happy. Dear students, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिखती हूँ एंड यू हैव टू राइट योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस. मैं कब खुश होती हूँ? आई फील हैप्पी व्हेन आई गो फॉर शॉपिंग. सो आई एम राइटिंग हेयर व्हेन आई गो फॉर शॉपिंग. Okay, dear students, I make feel happy when I go for shopping. You have to write your own experience. ठीक है, जब मैं शॉपिंग पे जाती हूँ तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होती हूँ. आपको लिखना है कि आप कब खुश होते हैं. Okay, dear students, the next one is sad. What makes you feel sad? Dear students, I feel sad when I'm alone at home. मैं उदास कब होती हूँ? जब मैं घर पर अकेली होती हूँ. When I am alone at home. Okay, dear students, you have to write down your own experience. Okay, what makes you feel happy? I feel happy when I go for shopping. What makes you feel sad? I feel sad when I am alone at home. Then you have to write your own experience in these 4 lines. What makes you feel happy? What makes you feel sad? What makes you feel angry? And what makes you feel scared? आप खुश कब होते हैं? आप उदास कब होते हैं? आपको गुस्सा कब आता है? एंड आपको डर कब लगता है? Okay, dear students, you have to write your own experience on the book page number 10. Your homework is to complete book page number 10. Okay, dear students, we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care, Allah Hafiz, and do your homework on time.